So, 6 reasons bakit natin pipiliin ang Promeric C over generic vitamin C. First reason, 500 milligrams natural sodium ascorbate po tayo, okay, with Bacillus coagulans and turmeric extract. Non-acidic, gentle on the stomach, multifaceted din po, no? So, yun nga, may 3 powerful ingredients tayong gamit. Then it also combines probiotic, okay? Then it also combines curcumin that reduces inflammation, okay? And this is also backed by studies of this each ingredient. Promeric C is 1 capsule, triple power, triple immune protection. Meron po itong vitamin C, meron po itong Bacillus coagulans, meron din po itong turmeric extract. So the vitamin C that we have used here is sodium ascorbate. This is to boost our immunity. Ang ating Bacillus coagulans naman, this is to promote gut health. Then, ang ating turmeric extract, curcumin, this is to fight inflammation. Only choose Promeric C with 3 major benefits to boost immunity, fight inflammation, and promote gut health. Ano ba ang suggested intake po nito? Okay, so for maintenance, 1 to 2 capsules a day. For enhancement, 3 to 4 capsules a day po to. So it's safe up to this dosage, 2,000 milligrams a day. Take it in the morning para ma-boost ang ating immune system at ma-improve ang ating energy levels. Take it with food or after meal para mas mabilis po yung absorption ng turmeric and probiotics. Kung may tanong po kayo kung pwedeng empty stomach, wala rin pong problema. Especially for those ones na hindi naman po acidic. So this is also good for the kids as well. So only choose Promeric C, 1 capsule, triple power, triple immune protection. So for the synergistic benefit, pag pinag-combine po natin ang vitamin C and turmeric extract, it helps combat oxidative stress. It also supports absorption and metabolic energy. Kapag pinag-combine si vitamin C and Bacillus coagulans, it creates a favorable gut environment. Sa gut, yun yung kung nasaan ang ating immune system cells. Then it also enhances immune modulation.